Hello dear traders, today we are going to present you the current week economic calendar. Let us review macroeconomic reports that are going to be released today and tomorrow. The Bank of England will decide on its key interest rate. Analysts suppose the bank is unlikely to modify the monetary policy in June. At the meeting in May, the regulator kept the key interest rate at 0.5% and left the asset purchase program at £325 billion. The UK Central Bank is uneasy about soaring inflation. In March, the consumer prices gained 3.5%, exceeding the bank target level by 1.5%. Furthermore, over the recent quarters, the economy of the country has not demonstrated any clear signs of growth. In the meantime, the Bank of Japan is slated to publish final GDP data for the first quarter. The indicator is forecasted to rise by 1.1%. In compliance with the preliminary estimate, the real GDP of the country grew by 1% in the first quarter, as compared to the fourth one, 2011. Experts hope that the economy of Japan would advance by 0.9% in the first quarter. In 2011, the Japanese economy was hammered by the tremendous earthquake and tsunami. The government is planning to boost the public debt once again in order to raise $160 billion for restoring the economy. It should be mentioned that at present the government debt of Japan already runs over 220% of GDP. A report on the U.S. trade balance for April will also come up at the end of the week. Economists project that the trade balance deficit of the USA will diminish from $51.8 billion to $49.3 billion. In March, the indicator advanced by 14.1%. Financial experts surveyed by Bloomberg had expected that the negative trade balance would worsen to $50 billion. In March, exports increased by $5.3 billion to $186.8 billion. As for imports, the indicator scaled up by $11.7 billion to $238.6 billion. It was Economic Calendar prepared for you by InstaForex TV team. See you next week.